Now I will configure the FTP server in this section. We type in sudo nano /etc/apt/sources.list. This command enables to view and modify the software repository configuration. And also FTP allows computer system to connect to remote server. And the first thing is we have to do this is to update the operating system by using command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Press enter, waiting for the process. Press Y to continue. So after finish running the progress, I would like to install the Pro FTPD by running with sudo systemctl enable Pro FTP. Now looks like there is an error, so we try again. Sudo install pro ftpd-y. Okay, error again, so maybe I use sudo apt install pro ftpd-y. Okay, now we're waiting for the process. And to allow the FTP server accept the connection, we use sudo systemctl enables pro ftpd-now. Okay, then we continue type in sudo usermod -ag www.data$user. This is to re-authenticate the user for new group to take an effect. I think there are some error. I type it again. Okay, now we enter the option, then we continue type in su and $user. This is used to list the user group. Then we type in ID to list the data. And then we type in sudo chown -r www.data-www/var/www. This is to change owner to the www-data group. We also type in sudo change mode -r ug+rw/var/www.
Now we are going to talk about the database server. Here we will be using the MariaDB database to set up our server. MariaDB is an open source relational database management system which commonly used as an alternative of MySQL. Okay, to install the MariaDB, we open the terminal in server virtual machine first. Okay, so first we type in this command to resolve any missing GPG key issue on Debian. Okay, then we continue with sudo apt update to update the package in the server. Okay, so when it shows that all the package are up to date, then we can proceed to the installation of MariaDB package. Okay, so we type in sudo apt get install MariaDB server. Then it will start to install. Okay, we continue by entering Y. Okay, the installation is successful when we see the last line here, processing triggers for libc-bin. Next step, we're going to configure the MariaDB security. Okay, we type in the command sudo mysql secure installation. Then there will be a series of things we need to do. This allows us to make some changes for the security of MariaDB database. Okay, since our root account is already protected, we enter N. Then they will ask, do you want to change the root password? Enter Y to change it. Remove the anonymous user by entering Y. This is for the safety purpose. Enter Y again to disallow the root login remotely. This is to ensure the root user can only log into database from localhost only. Next, enter Y to remove the test database. Last one will be entering the Y again to reload the privilege tables for the changes to make it immediately. Okay, once it shows all done, it means that we have already successfully completed the security configuration of MariaDB. Next, to configure the password authentication for the administrative users, we need to type in this command sudo mariadb -u root hp. Then we enter the password. Okay, so after this, we create a new user account in database server with the password authentication and then later assign to administrative privilege to the user. Okay, so here we create a regular user called osbitm at localhost. Next, we grant all the privilege to osbitm at localhost by typing this command. And then we flush the privilege. After this, we exit. Lastly, to check if the database service is running or not, we type in this command to check, which is sudo systemctl status mysql.service. Okay, so here it shows that it is actively running. It means that the database service is running. And that's all for the database server. Thank you. Okay, so this is to test our database server. Okay, so first we enter the command sudo mysql -u root -p, and then we enter the password. Okay, so first we create user which is test identify by password. Next, we grant create outer, drop, insert, update, delete, select, references, reload on the user we created just now with the grant option. And lastly, we flush the privileges. Okay, so the first command is due to typo, so we type in the correct spelling. Okay, so everything is okay. It means that our database server is working good. Thank you. Now we are going to talk about the web server configuration service for BITS 1213 company. First, we open the terminal in server virtual machine. Then we type sudo apt get install Apache 2. Continue with the password to access. Then we type Y to continue. Okay, so now we can open the Firefox in the server virtual machine. Then by searching localhost, we can get into the Apache 2. Next, we get back to the server's terminal. Then we type sudo nano /var/www/html/index.html. Then we shall enter here. Then we can go to the end until we reach the blank part, which is here. From here we can type the HTML. HTML head/head, and then the next line body, then we go to next line again, center, and then B. This is to bulk the text, and then we can type whatever you want in the website, and here we can type hello world, so later you will see hello world in the website. And then continue with body on the next line, and then on next line again with /HTML. Okay, so now we save it and exit it. go to Firefox again. Then we refresh the localhost, we can get Hello World. Okay, now we can open the client virtual machine. Open the Firefox. Then we can type in the IP address of the server, which is 192.168.1.254. Then press enter. Okay, we can get the same result as the local host from the server virtual machine. Therefore, we had successfully established a web server between the client and server's virtual machine. Thank you.